Camille with more hairstyles for you using Flourishing Tresses. Today I have a very fun hairstyle. Yes, girl. I am going out of the house for some essentials. And yeah, so I figure why not look cute? A girl's been staying inside, so I figure, hey, why not do a fun hairstyle? She loving it. Stay tuned so you can learn how to do it too. So my hair has been air dried, it's detangled, and I'm just going to be using some avocado and mango butter for this hairstyle. I'm also going to be using some curling custard and some curl formation hair gel. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair into 4 sections and make sure that it's nice and moisturized. that my hair is in 3 sections, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some mini buns. You'll see in each section, kind of just letting it be poofy. This is the main reason why I wanted to let my hair air dry, because the more voluminous your hair is, the better this hairstyle will look. If your hair is too wet or too weighed down with product, then your hair is gonna look kind of limp. So just play around with the puffs, see what works. As you can see, I'm just kind of playing around to see what exactly it's gonna look like in the end. And of course, found some bobby pins. So let me go ahead and show you guys me just putting it into the 3 buns and kind of just positioning them to get it to the perfect poof and style for me. You can play with this part and just do whatever you like. It's up to you, and of course, depending on what your hair texture is, you have to kind of determine how you want to have your hair in each section. I'm doing the back poof, and that's a smaller section, so I'm just using a small rubber band instead of the big bands to do this section. Obviously, if you have a lot more hair, then you might want to use like a regular ponytail holder, but for my hair, since I made this a smaller section, I'm just going to go ahead and use the smaller rubber band, but it's up to you. All right, I am finished. Isn't this so adorable? It's so easy. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and find us on Instagram at Flourishing Tresses. Bye guys.